Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're making this delicious grilled chicken. Look at it now. Look at how soft and delicious it is. So let's get started. So in a bowl, I'm just going to combine my chicken, and I'm using 1 kg of chicken. That's 1 kilogram of chicken, and I'm going to be adding water, and I'm going to be adding lemon juice, and I'm going to allow this to soak. I'll allow this to soak for 5 to 10 minutes before I take it off to wash. Right now, I'm just going to be making incision in the chicken, and I'm doing this so that the ingredient I put can be able to penetrate inside. So just make small incision, nothing too much. Right now, I'm just going to pat it to dry. So yeah, the ingredients we're going to use for marinating. I'm starting with black pepper, salt, chicken seasoning, ginger powder, thyme, Suya spice, which is optional, paprika, I love this, Cayenne pepper or Cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and chicken cubes. To be adding Cayenne pepper or shombo, and onions, and I'm going to be combining all the dry ingredients into this blender. And I'm adding lemon juice for extra kick, and olive oil, and I'm going to just blend this up until it's smooth. So right now I'm going to this is the grounded paste that we grounded, so I'm just going to add everything into the chicken, and I'm going to mix it. I'll just take time and mix and make sure like it penetrates inside, and those places that I made incisions, I'm going to make sure my marinade gets in there. So I'm going to be adding curry leaves. This is fresh curry leaves. It gives it a nice aroma, and I'm going to keep this in the fridge. I'm going to cover this with cling film and keep it in the fridge for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever time. There is no time limit. So I just want to say thank you to all those everyone who has subscribed to my channel. My channel is pretty new, and I say thank you, and please do subscribe to my channel. I am Kay, and I post relatable food content, and if you have any questions, just ask, like just ask and engage. Thank you. So I'm just going to grill this in my oven. So yes, so these are grilled chickens. Can you not see, like it's so beautiful and it's delicious. Honestly, I tell you, this chicken, like I couldn't just get enough of it. So this is a recipe you have to try, and I assure you, you will not be disappointed. Look at this chicken. Like, look at this chicken. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.